Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car monitor in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car monitor to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is iNavi 10.1 inches headrest. Specifications. Brand name, iNavi. Screen size, 10.1 inches. CPU, quad-core. RAM, 2GB. ROM, 16GB, 32GB. Network, Wi-Fi. Working voltage, 12 volts. Sound, built-in speaker or FM transmitter. Resolution, HD 1280 by 720. Interface, HDMI in, TF card, 3.5mm earphones, USB 2.0/DC 12 volts. App supports downloading apps. Atmosphere lights, 7 colors. Number 4 is iNavi headrest. Specifications. Brand name, iNavi. Resolution 1920 by 1080. System, Android 11.0. Screen size, 12.4, 13.3, 14, 15.6 inches. RAM plus ROM, 2GB plus 32GB. Atmosphere light, 7 colors. Network, Wi-Fi. App installation, allow. Speaker, built-in. Weight, 2,950 grams. As the item number 3 we've selected Imagebon A8 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Imagebon. Display, IPS. App compatibility, RoadCam. Audio recorded, yes. Maximum video frame rate, 25. Rear camera, yes. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. GPS logger, external. Chipset manufacturer, RK. Frames per second, 25. Number 2 is 13 inches Android 12 car headrest monitor. Specifications. Brand name, Jiwian. Model name, SP8215. Resolution, 1920 by 1080. Placement, headrest. Display size, 13 inches. Material type, ABS plus metal plus IPS screen. Item type, car monitors. 64-bit Android OS. RAM, 4GB. Processor, 4-core. Weight, 1,500 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, car mirror video player. Specifications. Brand name, Xgoody. Display, IPS. Display size, 9.88 inches. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 160. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 300 mega. GPS logger, internal. Interface, AVN. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 365 days.